Hi, it's Matt. If you're new to the channel, I'm trying to turn $1,000 into 1 million by a series of YOLO trades, like putting all the money into one trade and compounding it 10%. So on paper, this should take 73 trades. Very unlikely that it'll happen that way. But so far, I'm on trade 5 successfully. And this is where I've kind of hit a bit of a roadblock. The luck might have run out, I don't know. But basically, yeah, trade number 5 is Alpine 4 Technologies. This is the second update now. I've held it now for the second week, and I bought in at $8. And when I bought, the market was still in its bull run. But since then, a few days later, Alpine have taken advantage of the stock price and announced an offering. So that's brought the price down. And then to make it even worse, double whammy, the stock market in general has been correcting itself, especially in tech and energy. So if you these two things combined, it's brought the price right down. So I bought in at $8, as I said. I was looking for 880 to reach my 10%. It was doing very well to begin with. It got to about 8% up, and then yeah, the offering happened, brought it right down. Offering, I think it was at $6, sorry, and it was hovering about 7, still doing quite well considering the offering, and then the market's corrected itself, and now it's brought the price right down to $5.90 at current as I'm talking. But I still feel very confident in the stock. It's got the fundamentals are quite good. There's a lot of support with it. There's quite a big following with it, and it's just got a lot of backing as well. I think if you typed it into the internet, you'd see quite positive kind of things with it. The stock market in general is just not doing too good. And it doesn't help, like an offering combined with the correction just doesn't really help a stock at all. But I think in the long run, we're good. I'm going to give it another week. I would have held it for 3 weeks, nearly a month. Can't remember. The first time I bought it, it's been a week, yeah. So I think this is the third week actually, yeah, second update. So yeah, I'll give it a month. I won't sell it in the red because I am confident it will come back to $8 at least. So break even at the very least. But until then, I think it's just one of those days, like, or weeks. It's been happening for 2 weeks now. It's just massive sell-offs and the market correcting itself. So yeah, I'm just not looking at my app. I suggest a lot of people do that as well if they're noticing a lot of red. I wouldn't sell in these conditions. If you're confident on the stock, I wouldn't sell, because it's going to return. Historically, these things kind of happen, like the massive sell-offs and then prices stabilize and they only go up. But it's only for the stocks which are good, I guess. Like if you bought a bad stock, it ain't returning. Like it's not going to do much good. But I feel with Alpine 4, like it has been a good decision when I bought it. But only time will tell. Not got a crystal ball. And I think there's still one major catalyst, which I'm kind of looking forward to, is this NASDAQ entry. I think it'll bring a lot of new people to the table, being able to invest in it, because it's an OTC stock at the moment. But like I said, just time will tell. Yeah, I'll give an update in another 7 days, see where the stock is sitting. I hope it returns to about like the $7 mark. If it does, I'll check out the charts again and give it like the entry levels and whatnot, and resistances and stuff. But at the moment, it's just too high. You just can't see these kind of things. It's just everything's just dropping. Like it's a bloodbath. But yeah, if you can like and subscribe, it's really helped the channel a bit. And yeah, I'll see you in a week's time. Sooner if it somehow gets up 10%, but I don't think that's happening. All right, good night.